everyone, today we're learning how to read a recipe by making my favorite chocolate chip cookies. Now my first step is I'm going to read it all the way through, and once I've done that, I can mise en place. Mise en place is just gathering all your ingredients and your supplies so you stay organized and you're less likely to make mistakes. You want to get all the ingredients and tools you need to prepare the recipe. Once you've got your mise en place done, double check that you have everything you need, then start cooking. The ingredients list is going to tell you what ingredients you need, but it might also tell you how you need to treat certain ingredients. Another thing to know is that if an ingredient appears in the same sentence, they can go in the same bowl when they're measuring, just like this flour, baking soda, and salt. Same thing with my butter. My ingredients list told me it needed to be melted, and when I read the directions, the butter was listed in the same sentence as the brown sugar and granulated sugar, and the egg and vanilla, so those could all go in the same bowl while I was measuring. My mix-ins needed to go in their own separate bowl because those were in their own separate sentence. Now we're ready to mix. Follow the instructions in order. Always use signals like just melted or what an ingredient should look like before moving on to the next step. For instance, this recipe will tell you what the dough should look like when it's done before you add your mix-ins. This recipe also requires me to chill it overnight. Other things for mise en place will include preheating the oven. Now for the day I'm baking, I'm going to get out all the things I need again. My baking sheet, my pot holders, cookie scoop, and my dough. The recipe will tell me how many cookies I should put on each cookie sheet and how long to bake them. And it's as simple as that. Hopefully this helped you learn how to follow a recipe efficiently so you can make your own delicious recipes at home.